Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to remove a WhatsApp group image on your PC. If you're an admin of a group and want to update or remove the group image, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your PC by clicking on the icon. Step 2. Go to the group you have created where you are an admin. Navigate to the group you want to remove the image from. Make sure you are an admin of that group. Step 3. Click on the group name. Once you're in the group, locate the group name at the top of the screen and click on it. Step 4. Click on the group photo. On the group information page, find the group photo and click on it. Step 5. Choose Remove Image from the list. A list of options will appear. Select Remove Image to delete the current group photo. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove a WhatsApp group image on your PC. It's a simple process that allows you to update the group visuals as needed. To recap, open WhatsApp. Go to the group you're an admin of, click on the group name, click on the group photo, and choose Remove Image from the list. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.